Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your download location in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can customize virtually every aspect of your browsing experience. The settings interface will open either in a new tab or within your current window, depending on your Chrome configuration. Once you're in the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu with several categories. Navigate through this menu and click on Downloads. This section specifically controls how Chrome handles your downloaded files, including where they're saved and how download notifications appear. Now, within the download settings, you'll see a section labeled Location. This shows you the current folder where Chrome automatically saves all your downloaded files. Right beside this location path, you'll notice a Change button. Click on this button to open your system's file browser and select a new download destination. After clicking Change, your computer's file browser window will open up, allowing you to navigate through your folders and drives. Browse through your available locations and click on the folder where you want Chrome to save your future downloads. This could be your desktop, documents folder, an external drive, or any custom location you prefer. Once you've selected your desired folder, click the Select Folder button at the bottom of the file browser window to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Chrome download location. From now on, all your downloads will automatically be saved to the new folder you just selected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.